Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 BMW X7 M60i, the ultimate SUV that perfectly blends unparalleled performance with luxurious comfort. Let's start with design. The 2025 BMW X7 M60i boasts an aggressive stance with its iconic kidney grille and striking LED headlights. The bold lines and muscular curves tell you this isn't just any SUV, it's a statement on wheels. From the sculpted rear to the sophisticated quad exhausts, every angle exudes authority and elegance. Under the hood, the X7 M60i is a powerhouse. Equipped with a 4.4-liter V8 engine, it churns out an impressive 523 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. Take a deep breath as it rockets from 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. With the xDrive all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension, you'll enjoy a smooth ride, whether you're conquering city streets or tackling off-road adventures. Step inside, and you'll be enveloped in luxury. Premium materials adorn every surface, with comfortable seating for up to 7 passengers. The ambient lighting creates a serene atmosphere, perfect for any journey. The cutting-edge iDrive 8 system features a stunning curved display that keeps you connected. And with the Bowers & Wilkins sound system, your music will hit every note with absolute clarity. The X7 M60i is packed with technology that ensures safety and convenience. With features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, driving has never been easier or safer. Plus, the gesture control makes it effortless to manage your music and calls, just a little wave of your hand. So, there you have it. The 2025 BMW X7 M60i combines raw power, luxurious interiors, and cutting-edge technology into one incredible package. If you're looking for an SUV that does it all, this is it. Now let's move on to the price. The price of the 2025 BMW X7 M60i is around $104,000. It is a beautiful investment that guarantees you the best performance and luxury. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new X7 M60i. Until next time, happy driving!